One is characteristics. We have to use the auditing as our characteristics, and quality, the education quality, okay, and finally internationalization. So our foreign students are part of the internationalization. And it pursues the school motto of integrity, truth, diligence, and devotion. Okay, this is our school motto. With the support of CNAO, the Ministry of Education and Ministry of Commerce and Jiangsu Provincial Government, the university has actively promoted Master of Audit program for international students. Up to now, it has admitted audit professionals from Supreme Audit size, right, of nearly 80 and exactly 75 Belt and Road countries. Okay. The following part is about the letter reply by President Xi Jinping. Okay, and in this part it tells us the history of internationalization in our university, and here is a long list of them. And these are the auditor generals from different sides of the world, and now they become honorary professors of our university. And this September, we have invited the Auditor General from side of Indonesia, okay, from Gilbert's country, and maybe we have to add her into this list, okay? Yeah, and certainly if you have a chance, you could also invite your own Auditor General to come to our university to act as ordinary professors of the university, okay? Yeah, and our university cooperates with international organizations like Intosai, Asosai, CISA, a lot of them, okay? So these, and also we try to build up our audit capacity. We have organized a lot of international conferences concerning audit, together with Intosai and Asosai. Okay? Yeah. And from this picture, you can see we're trying to establish an institute of international people-to-people exchange in audit. Okay? This part we can see we have organized, we have hosting high-end forums. We invite the professionals, auditing professionals from different sides and different audit organizations. Like this one is the former secretary of IIA, Richard Chambers. Richard Chambers, and he also works. He also will came in next year. Okay, and yeah, Richard Chambers here. I'm not sure whether you know him or not. And this one is from the Dr. Francis Gurry. Okay, and he will come in Chile in November. Okay, he was the IEPO. Intellectual property, IP, IPO. IPO, yeah, okay. Now, this is the ACCE education. I think people from Mauritius, yes. Yeah, many people from Mauritius, they will have ACCE certificates because we have a lot of graduates from there, okay? Yeah. And Audit University is also one of the university that has a very high-end education in ACCA. Okay, yeah. Here, these are the achievements, and also we are working with IAEP, International Audit Exchange and Association, right? Okay. And the second part is about we started running audit. Master of Audit program in 2012. In 2012, okay, we start to have international students in 2004, and in 2006 we have undergraduate overseas students, and in 2012 we have the first group of Master of Audit program. They are from Liberia. Yeah, these are from Liberia. This one. Yeah, running master program from Liberia. This is the first time. And in 2016, we become the CGSAMP. The first group of students came. And next year, it is a MOFCOM program, running the MOFCOM program. Okay? Yeah. And Leaders from CSC came to our university. Leaders from MOFCOM also came to our university to take part in some of the activities in the university. And our program receives attention from CNAO, okay? And you can see these are the former Auditor General, Professor Mr. Liu, and the former Deputy Auditor General, Ms. Qin Boyong, and also former Auditor General Hu Zejun, Deputy General, Auditor General, Deputy AG, okay, former Deputy AG, and former Deputy AG. Also, this one is also former Deputy AG, okay? This is the current AG of the China, Mr. Hou Kai, okay? He is he's receiving a gift from our student, okay? Because this student will win Auditor General AG scholarship, okay? And if you work hard, you can also win this scholarship. And the amount of the scholarship is 10,000 yuan. 10,000 yuan for each student. And yeah, this is the ceremony to confer the scholarship to the students. And this is the former deputy